get you up to speed. So we're here in the beautiful Dominican Republic in the Caribbean to celebrate this girl's birthday. She's turning 30 and she seems to think that is the end of the world. So while we're here, I've planned something special, and let's hopefully show her that 30 is not the end of the road and that there's only good stuff happening from here. So without further ado, let's go check it out. Alright, so today's the big day. It's Megan's birthday this morning, February the 3rd, and lovely day out. We got a big day planned, lots of surprises for her, she has no idea. But first, we're going to head down to the beach and try to fly out the drone, get some good pics and see what this place is all about. Oh, back in the room at the hotel after flying drone this morning, which was a lot of fun. Managed to decorate the room for Megan nicely, so when she got back she had some champagne on her bed, balloons and whatnot, just make a little bit of a fuss. Now she's busy in the shower, busy getting ready. Got a very special dinner planned for her in a special location, so she knows nothing about that. And once she's all dressed and ready, we're going to head up there and surprise her, so looking forward to it.
Ayer me dijeron tus amigas que andabas buscándome como loca en la calle y yo bebiendo como un loco cerveza con unos parceros dañándome la cabeza. Borracho con el corazón malo, caminando solo, me la encontré a ella. Mujer tan bella, yo con una botella me de enredar fácil, caí en las garras de ella. Mujer tan bella, yo con una botella me de enredar fácil, caí en las garras de ella. Maluma, baby, me cogiste en un momento de debilidad, yo jurándome que nunca más te iba a tocar. Todo por culpa de esas malditas cervezas, con esos labios enfrente que no te besa. Porque no fui capaz de ahí mismo darle stop. En el ranking de mi culo siempre fuiste el top. Nos cagamos los dos solos en la relación, lo dejamos solo loco así sin protección. Era demasiado tarde y yo con los tragos en la cabeza. Eres mi debilidad, me encanta cuando te pones necia. Era demasiado tarde y yo con los tragos en la cabeza. Eres mi debilidad, a ti nadie te endereza. Mujer tan bella, yo con una botella All fine, la versatilidad de la calle, papá.
One fine, ando con el lobo y no es el de Wall Street.
DJ